Stay away from those people that reminds you of your failures and defeats. There are people, when you leave their presence, you feel less of yourself. Feel less of yourself. Hang around those with victory stories. Tell how we overcame. Somebody should remind you of it. Stay amongst those people. People that will look at you and tell you, you know what, I'm not seeing anything, or huh? I'm not seeing anything, or no, I'm seeing something. I'm seeing victory. I'm seeing victory. I'm seeing that this is not the end of your life. I'm seeing that this is just the beginning of a new season for you. I see a new dawn. Yeah,